Dear TFRCC family, a few months ago, we brought you a heartfelt appeal from Reverend Father Sunil Veigas of St. Antony Shrine, seeking your prayers and support for the construction of a home for the destitute, a place where the abandoned, the elderly, and those in need could find love, care, and dignity. Today, with grateful hearts, we thank God that on the feast of St. Anthony, June 13, 2026, this beautiful home was inaugurated and blessed. To everyone who prayed, shared the appeal, and extended a helping hand in any way, thank you. May St. Anthony intercede for you, and may God bless you and your families abundantly. The mission, however, is not yet complete. There is still work to be done to fully develop and equip this home so that it can serve those who need it most. If God inspires your heart to be a part of this noble mission, you can continue to support the shrine. The official donation details are provided in the description below. And now, let us listen to Reverend Father Sunil Veigas as he shares his gratitude and speaks from his heart about this beautiful journey of faith, hope, and service.
Dear viewers of TFRCC TV channel, I am Father Sunil Veigas from St. Antony Shrine, Kerekatte. This is a diocesan shrine belonging to the Diocese of Udupi. You might have watched the videos done on this shrine, telling its significance, its importance, along with the spreading of the word of God, along with other devotional activities that are taking place in this holy shrine. We have undertaken a noble work to accommodate destitute, to give them freely food as well as accommodation. Since the bishop was coming on the 13th June, on the feast day of St. Anthony, we have inaugurated the facility. This facility is not yet complete. We have partially inaugurated it, leaving the second floor to be constructed in the days to come. The entire facility has 24 rooms, and we can accommodate 3 persons in a room, and thus we are eagerly waiting to admit destitute in this house and serve them. I sincerely thank you for the love, concern you have shown towards this cause in the past years or past days, and I also look forward to your continued support, first of all to finish the construction as well as to help the cause to continue in the future days. I thank you one and all. God bless you. May Saint Anthony intercede for each one of you. Thank you.